I actually pretty much wore this whenever we had a journey, a train journey. I think this is my favorite thing in the world right now. This is the Anatomy Kenya jacket, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's permanently attached to me right now. I love it. This is what I wore when I was cooler throughout the day, in the evenings. In addition to that, one top, my favorite new top, it's this Michael Stars draped versatile top. Incredibly easy to wear. I bought it at Nordstrom. I loved it so much. I now have it like in 4 or 5 colors. You can actually adjust the straps from a sleeveless top to then a dolman sleeve. So it gives it a bit of a different look. It's very versatile, and on top of that, it looks a little bit dressy, but it's also comfortable. It feels like I'm wearing a t-shirt, but it doesn't look as casual as a t-shirt, so I love this. It's my go-to top right now. Underneath that, of course, I wore my Compass Rose bra stash. It's the secret bra wallet that's RFID lined for digital protection, just enough for my credit cards and my cash for currency, not for a passport or anything. And it actually has an extra long bra strap, which allows women from a size A cup to DD plus cup and GG plus cups to wear this as well. So you can attach it in the front of your bra, on the side of your bra, underneath your arm, and that's where I like to put it actually, right under here. Or you can actually even attach it to your bra strap as well. This is currently available now on Amazon. If you guys don't know, Compass Rose is my travel accessories collection, and this is the second product in the line. I also wore my Anatomy Skylar pants. I actually had a personal challenge for myself for this trip. I pretty much live in my jeans, but I wanted to do something different this trip, and I wanted to pack really light, so I only took dresses, and this was the only pair of bottoms that I took, because I like the comfort of wearing trousers when I'm going on a plane or a train and just picking up my backpack and going. Just love the way this black top with the Anatomy pants, the way it looks. These Skechers memory foam shoes, they're so lightweight and they are comfy, but I couldn't wear them for daily sightseeing because I don't like wearing closed-toe shoes when it's hot. My feet swell. So I only wore them in the evenings if it was cooler, when I knew I was going to be wearing them for shorter periods of time, or when I was traveling on the plane, for example, from England where it was cooler that day down to Rome. I recently added them to an article that we published on the best slip-on sneakers for travel. I like them because I've been trying on Skechers for a long time, trying to find the right style for me. I know they're a really popular shoe with the Travel Fashion Girl readers, but I couldn't find the right style for me. And this one I liked because it had more of a V cut here in the front, which I felt had a more modern appearance. And I also liked the neutral taupe, a little bit of metallic sheen to it, and the knit. So not only did I wear this to go on the planes and trains, but I also just wore it to sightsee as well. I will see you soon, and thank you again for tuning in.